Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to activate your KeyBank debit card. Open the website at keybank.com/activate. Then on this page, you will see a button that says Sign on to activate. Click Sign on to activate. Now, sign on with your user ID and password. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. You have two options: either to verify using a one-time passcode, or through answering a security question. Click on the option you wish to select. In this video, we chose to verify by answering a security question. Once you've answered the question, or entered a passcode, click on Submit. Then on this page, you will see a Manage Card button beside the debit card you'll activate. Click on the Manage Card button. Several options will appear. Click on the option that says Activate Card. Now enter the required information. On the first field, enter your CVC code located at the back of your card. On the second field, enter the 4-digit PIN you wish to use. Then re-enter it on the third field. After that, click on the red Activate button. Now it will ask for your overdraft consent. So the default status would be no. But if you wish to activate overdraft, click on the radio button beside Yes. After that, click on Activate Card. That's how you activate your KeyBank debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.